sales minus cost of goods sold, gross margin minus operating expense. That's what we call net operating income. That's the income statement we need, right? Breakdown. In order to calculate cost of goods sold, we need to consider beginning and plus what? Cost of goods manufactured, right? That's what we call cost of goods available for sale, total cost. Good? Then deduct ending inventory. That's what we call cost of goods sold. Here, right? Cost of goods manufactured. How we calculate cost of goods? Beginning. Am I right? And what? Manufacturing cost. Manufacturing cost, that's a total manufacturing cost. Then minus ending, that's cost of goods manufactured. Right? Manufacturing cost, as we know, direct material, direct labor, manufacturing overhead, that's what we call manufacturing cost. We need to calculate direct material. How? Exactly same system we're going to apply. We may have beginning raw material, right? We have how much purchase material, that's total material, right? Total material and minus ending inventory, that's what we call direct material. Good? It's common sense we apply. This part, not 100% like this, because sometimes we need to consider indirect, but let's say like this. It's the same system we apply. What about direct labor? As I said, direct labor means what? Wages. We can trace. So, if we have time sheet, we just need to count. Time, multiply what? Wage. That's it. Done. Manufacturing overhead. What's manufacturing overhead?
The operating expense from the production.
Yeah, rent, depreciation, insurance, blah blah lubricant. That's manufacturing overhead. You have the asset, right? So once we have manufacturing overhead, once we have direct labor, once we have direct material purchase, source document, invoice and every receipt, then we can get manufacturing, right? Manufacturing between beginning and end, we can get cost of goods manufactured. Beginning and end, we're gonna get cost of goods sold. Breakdown and back, right? Clear? So far? So far? Which beginning? Which beginning? Which beginning? We apply pretty much common sense. Beginning plus how much period related cost from the total, deduct ending. We know beginning and ending, right? Which beginning? How many beginning and end do we have? Why? Because manufacturing company has raw material inventory, work in process inventory, finished goods inventory. Memorize this one as a format, very confused. Why? Nobody is going to tell you this number, this number. Only January 1st and January 30th. That's what you're gonna get. The test and everywhere in real field. Then you need to find out which balance which number you apply. Think about it. In order to cost of goods sold, how much we sold? Sold, cost of goods sold, unsold, what? Ending inventory, right? At that point, finished goods. Am I right? Working process. We are in the working process in order to calculate cost of goods manufactured. All right.
Yes.
So beginning, what?
Work in progress.
Working process beginning, ending working process. Now we're talking about raw material beginning, raw material beginning, raw material. See? If you try to memorize, easy to make mistake. Mix up between 6 numbers. You're not gonna, 6 number is not the all numbers you're gonna have. You're gonna have at least 25, 20, 30s. If you don't have clear understanding of this breakdown, easy to make a mistake. Good?